Hello and welcome to another Sleepy Dog construction video. And what would the video be if we didn't have a water leak? So the contractor was excavating. This is a common leak. It just cut the main where the corporation's at, and a simple fix. So anyway, what we're going to do today is I'm going to take you for a ride through the project. It's just over 1.5 miles long. It's going to be a little over $16 million. 45-foot back of curb to back of curb, so it's going to be a pretty wide roadway. It's also going to have 2 5-foot bike lanes on each side. So as we're driving along, you can see contractor on the left side of your screen. He's excavated down to approximately what the subgrade would be. It's not quite cut to grade. But you can see he's had to leave a few places for driveways. Here's a temporary road. And you can see it's holding water. So it's been limed, it's been sealed. And the good thing about that is once it's limed and sealed, water's never going to penetrate it. As you can see, the contractor has low profile concrete barriers. They're about 2 foot tall. Some of the places are over 3 foot deep where he's actually excavated. But remember, there's 9 inches of pavement that go on top of the subgrade that you see. So anyway, it looks like I'm driving fast, but I'm really only driving about 20 miles an hour, and I haven't sped it up or anything. Hope this car stops. And okay, here's the driveway, and then we go back to the excavation here. We got some RCP, some reinforced concrete pipe on the right. And we're back to some excavation on the left side, and eventually soon that'll be concrete. We have Flagman there. He's not very friendly. You can see the dozer. Right now he's putting in a temporary driveway. And we're still coming along, and we got a dump truck here, and there's a contractor's white truck with the yellow and blue flashing lights. And look to the left, there's some RCP. There's some old RCP that was taken out that's piled up there. You got a dump truck, and there's a friendly Flagman. Hey, buddy, how you doing? And so they're hauling off some of the spoils. And if you look to the left, here we have some Type C manholes, some RCP. We've got some Type C inlets. This part of the job, it's not cut to grade. There was a 16-inch new water main put in. It's been chlorinated and tested, so now they have to tie in the new service lines. And I did a video on that. Put the copper from one side to the other. Anyway, we're a little more than halfway. And up here on the left, there's a lot of Type C manholes, and you can see the RCP, and got caught by the light here. Luckily, this is a short light. This part of the intersection that we're driving over, it stays, not going to be removed, so that's good. So we're driving again, and this has all been excavated. This has been limed. As you can see, it's holding some water. And there's a pond up here on the left. It's 0.69 acres. I've got a video coming out soon on that. Hopefully you'll enjoy that. And if you remember my last video, we poured the concrete, and what these guys are doing, they're pulling the pins that hold the forms in place. These are metal prefab forms. So they'll come along, they'll pull all the pins, then they'll come back and they'll pull the forms off. Hey, there's another friendly Flagman. Hey, buddy, how you doing? And so they've pulled the pins all through here. And look at the elevation difference of the new road and the existing road. A big difference. And the reason we do that on purpose, and there's some forms that's been removed. We do that on purpose. When it rains, we want the street to become a tension pond where it'll hold water and eventually drain, and it won't get into your house. So that's why we lower the roads. So anyway, that's going to be everything on the project. Well, make sure I don't hit that UPS. So anyway, Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Please subscribe and like the video. It all helps the channel grow. We try to put out a new video every Saturday. So we'll see you next Saturday. Thanks for watching.